Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video, I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the SOL token went public in 2020. Today we will tell you the latest news about cryptocurrency Solana. Solana versus Ethereum. Here's the winner when comparing. It's no secret that crypto users love to race and compare speeds, but an evaluation of this kind is actually much harder than it sounds. To that end, an investigation by GM and Hasib Qureshi from Dragonfly Capital delved into the question of whether Solana could take on an Ethereum virtual machine EVM-compatible chain in a speed race. Quickly shooting down transaction per second rates, the two researchers instead decided to look at the speed of automated market makers AMS. To refresh your memory, AMS are what make it possible for decentralized exchanges to function on their own and complete DeFi tasks. Godspeed to you comparing Ethereum's Uniswap v2, Celo's Ubiswap, Avalanche's Trader Joe, Polygon's QuickSwap, BSC's PancakeSwap, and Solana's Orca. The two researchers concluded that the winner was indeed Solana. However, note that the test took place on the Solana DevNet, which is faster than the mainnet. The final figures were 273.34 Orca trades per second, with 13 seconds to finality. That said, there are some caveats. Removing Solana's consensus messages from the transaction count, the report stated. Readers might have strong reactions to the above figures, but Qureshi advised caution as there is a myriad of ways to measure speed amongst blockchains. What's more, AMS are ideally getting faster. But before crowning Solana as the champion, it's important for users to question if speed is the endgame. After all, the network is also notorious for its congestion issues. What's more, the same could be hurting Solana's adoption rate, even if only slightly. Studying unique daily active signers, the Air Network newsletter reported, unique signers peaked at 299K in late January, but tapered off a bit to 232K after the network's most recent bout with degraded performance. A pricey few days of press time, Ether was changing hands at $2,903.67. This was after falling by 3.64% in the past day, while rallying by 23.02% in the past week. In the meantime, Solana's SOL was keeping investors on tenterhooks at $99.97, having dropped by 5.55% in the past 24 hours, while rising by 23.23% in the last week. So next news. NBA alum Meta World Peace drops Solana NFT sneaker collection with BlankSouls. BlankSouls, a decentralized sneaker company, has announced a partnership with former NBA champion Meta Sandyford Artist, better known as Meta World Peace, and before that Ron Artist, to launch Meta BEZOS, a series of limited edition Solana-based NFTs and physical sneakers. The goal, BlankSouls co-founder Raymond Dong told Decrypt, is to have a sneaker to be a blank canvas for expression for partners in our network. Meta BEZOS tokens, NFTs. Snowcrash is built on the Solana platform, which in turn uses proof of history to create an immutable ledger of events. This allows for the secure and transparent recording of music sales and distribution. The use of NFTs also makes it possible to track music ownership and royalty payments. This follows a similar move from another major label, Warner, which recently announced a deal with Splinterlands, a burgeoning blockchain gaming firm. With this new partnership, Snowcrash is positioning itself to become a go-to platform for music distribution and monetization in the crypto and blockchain space. As the world's first fully web-scale blockchain, Solana's current iteration enables Snowcrash to deliver and process its users' needs in an efficient and optimized manner. The Solana blockchain itself, however, has been rife with issues and controversies, with its throughput becoming choked out due to massive demand, leading to a series of network outages. The partnership with Sony Music and Universal Music Group will showcase a couple of NFT collections that have so far been announced, Bob Dylan and Miles Davis NFT collections. These two new NFT collections will be released within the year, according to a press release from Snowcrash. According to Dennis Cooker, Sony Music's president of global digital business, they are already making plans that would help develop a range of opportunities for our recording artists with a focus on delivering accessible, user-friendly experiences for both creators and fans. Snowcrash is working with intellectual property holders, brands, and artists to create a slew of collections that include primary drops, limited editions, streaming rights, and digital goods. The platform was created by filmmaker Jesse Dillon, alongside DeFi, decentralized finance, and financial engineering pioneer Walter de Brouwer, as well as Jeff Rosen, a seasoned entertainment industry exec who has been president of the Bob Dylan Music Company since its inception 3 decades ago. With Snowcrash, we have found a perfect opportunity where the entertainment community, Silicon Valley and Wall Street all come together to create opportunities for artists and organizations impacting the world today. We have also launched the platform on the Solana blockchain, which is a much better choice for the environment de Brouwer shares. As a new Solana-based NFT marketplace, Snowcrash will be in direct competition against other established platforms on the Solana blockchain such as Solanart and Solcia. If you are looking for Solana price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. Sol rate prediction 2022. Sol will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Solana rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Solana rate will be almost $122.19. The maximum bet we can get is $142.07. Solana average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $125.72. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Sol price prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for Sol will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $182.67 and a minimum bid of $177.65. The maximum bid is expected to be around $211.87. Sol price forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Solana price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Sol will rise to around $262.85 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year could end with a maximum price of $312.30 with a minimum price $255.55 level. Solana price prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Solana will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $446.11 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $381